Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about how to write and read table of 13 and 14. So let's start. 13 into 1. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 into 3. 13 threes are 39. 13 into 4. 13 fours are 52. 13 into 5. 13 fives are 65. 13 into 6. 13 sixes are 78. 13 into 7. 13 sevens are 91. 13 into 8. 13 eights are 104. 13 into 9. 13 nines are 117. 13 into 10. 13 tens are 130. Okay. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104 or 104, 13 nines are 117, 13 tens are 130. So 14 ones are 14 into 1, that is equal to 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 into 2 is equal to 28. 14 twos are 28. 14 into 3. 14 threes are 42. 14 into 4 is equal to 56. 14 fours are 56. 14 into 5 is equal to 70. 14 fives are 70. 14 into 6 is equal to 84. 14 sixes are 84. 14 into 7 is equal to 98. 14 sevens are 98. 14 into 8 is equal to 112. 14 eights are 112. 14 into 9 is equal to 126. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 14 into 10 is equal to 140. So 14 tens are 140. So repeat after me children. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. So like this we have to practice table of 13 and 14. So thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.